Today's topic is importance of business environment. For a business, environment is very important, as we have learned about something what is business environment and what are the factors or features of business environment. Today we will know importance, how it is important. A businessman must have keen sight to understand what is going on and what is the need of our business or our product in the future. If we have the keen sight, we will know how we can improve our product, how we can improve the need of the generation. As we are taking the example as sometime before, Maruti company of India has seen that the many foreign companies of car making is about to come in India. At that time he improved the quality, and firstly he also know that the small car is needed in India. So he captured, they are unable to capture while they are the foreign company in the market. At that time, a Maruti company captured all the market of India, not only of India but also of the foreign countries. And on the second point, we can take help the firm to identify the threats and early warning signals. As we are taking the example, foreign companies when are about to come to India, at that time Maruti company has the keen sight. He created the quality of the cars at that time, so that they can compete with the foreign companies. So it is very important when to help the firm identify the threats. What the threats are going to come. If the managers or owners can forecast, they can improve their quality at that time. The next point is helpful in tapping and assembling the resources. Any company needed material, raw material, like many other important machines at that time. So we should know if the environment is going very high of the market. At that time we should use the high level material, high level machines, and we can improve our quality. Otherwise, if we are doing the traditional work, we will suffer in future and our market can be lose at that time, our profit can be lose at that time. On the other hand, we can take another example and another point, help to adjust and adapt with the rapid change. As you know, change is the law of nature, and every change affect our business. This is also important. Every change affect our business. When we see the changing environment, at that time we will have to change our plan and policy and also the product quality. If we are not doing this, if we are not stepping with the rapid changing movement, at that time we will not get success in the future. So it is very important to make step by step changes to after seeing the rapid changes of the environment, and assisting in planning and policy making. Business environment is very important to make the plan and policy for the business that will be the beneficial. For doing this, we should scan our business and the society, both. If in society we can scan the things properly, at that time we can use the points, the aspects in our plan and policy. On the other hand, we should see the inside environment of our business, and we should plan the internal policy also. And the last point is improvement in performance. If the business environment is good, we can improve our performance. Otherwise, if we are not seeing the environment, we will do the work as we were doing. It means our performance may get good, may get bad results also. So it is our duty, it is very important to scan the things properly time to time, and we should improve the plan and policy and other things in our business, and this will be possible only by seeing the or scanning the environment of business and society. Students, I think you have understood how business environment is so important. So we should learn all these points. Till then,